Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nesting Padasale. So in this video is really a good news for all those aspirants who have written this joint CSIR UGC NET examination. After a long wait, but it's not a too long wait, the answer key for this joint CSIR UGC NET examination has been finally released. So within a 1 week itself they have released, the NTA has released the answer key. So thank God for that. So with respect to this answer key, today I'm going to say you how you can wisely use this answer key. Okay, so many students are not been aware about how to analyze your score based on this answer key itself. They not even know that response sheet is available. Response sheet is nothing but a mark responses. So previously it was an offline examination, where in offline examination the question paper itself you will put a tick mark for the correct option that was chosen by you. With respect to this online exam, that is CBT examination, they will release the response sheet itself. So let me show you the how the response sheets will be there. So this is how the response sheet will be there, friends. So this is your question and this is your option that was given by you. So based on that you can calculate the mark itself, friends. Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss in this video. So at the last part of the video I discussed the formula to calculate the score. So please do watch the video fully. So here they had released the public notice with regard to subject wise inviting challenges for joint CSIR UGC NET examination for all sciences. They have released, friends. If you check on in this particular thing they had given. So this is a public notice that was released yesterday only. So date of display of question paper and challenge of provisional answer key is available from 22nd, that is yesterday, to 25th. You can do all the things, friends. You can download your response sheet and question paper is also available. Question paper is nothing but the response sheet only they are saying, and also answer key is also available and challenge can also be made. So everything can be made to this website. So many students are asking how to download this response sheet. So it can be easily downloaded by clicking this particular thing, display of key challenge for joint CSIR UGC NET examination. So if you simply click this particular link, then again another dashboard will be open. So you can log in through your application number and password, and also second option is that you can log in through your application number and date of birth. If you forgot your password, then you can go through by applying through application number and date of birth. If you forgot your application number also, simply check the download column or download folder in your laptop or a phone, so that you can get your confirmation page that was be released, because confirmation page will be automatically downloaded, friends. So at the time of application itself you will download the confirmation page. So if you are clicking through application number and date of birth, then you need to put your application number and date of birth, and you should securely put the security pin. And if you are giving them again, if you are giving anything wrong, this particular dashboard will not be easily available, friends. You can't able to duplicate, and once it has been closed you can't able to open the server. You need to open a new window, only then you can open that. So those kind of things are available in this particular thing. So make yourself ready with all the details, only then you should touch this website, or else you need to wait for 24 hours. After that you can download, or else you can go to this incognito mode where you can easily download many times. Okay, so that was they will say. So after downloading, so this is how the thing is that you can view a question paper, at the same time you can view the answer key, and also you can challenge the answer key. So if you click on this view question paper means, then your question paper will be given. So this is nothing but is a response sheet, friends. So this is the same question paper that was given by you. Okay, and also if you click on to this particular thing, that is view or challenge answer key, so again the thing is will be open. So here you should again only registered candidate will be given. So this particular thing, so here you can able to see the answers for all the question. This is a question ID, friends, and this is the correct option. This is nothing but all these option for challenging of question paper. So this is an official answer key, but it's not a final answer key, because once the students are challenged, then this option will be changed and finally they will release officially in a PDF column. This is a provisional answer key. It might get changed. So this is a question ID, friends, and this is the correct option, friends. Okay, so this is not in an order of question paper like part A, part B, part C. So okay, so this is a jumbled word. So all the, if you refer your friends login ID also, this particular question ID and correct options will be similar, because they had given order wise. Whereas if you check, so first question ID for this option is in answer section, they had given 146 question, but the same thing if you check to in your thing. So if you check on to your question paper, that is nothing but a response sheet means the first question will be 163rd question. But you should always fix to this particular question paper, because question paper only given order wise. Part A first they are giving 20 question, and after part A the next part, that is part B, will get mixed up. Okay, so just wait, I'll show you. part. Here you can able to see part B question. Likewise, they are giving order wise. Okay, so here you can have the question paper, and along with the question paper, answer key is also being available. So now let me tell you how you can compare the question paper and answer key, and how you can derive the scores. Okay. So this is an Excel column, friends. So this is first thing, you should take a rough sheet, or you can take A4 sheet or the note which you had taken for your CSIR preparation. So first you should put the question ID. Where you can find the question ID means, so question ID can be found from the response sheet itself. So I'm just showing you. So say this is a response sheet means, here you can able to see question ID 2.7, sorry 207 is the question ID for that question. Okay, so here you can able to get the question ID. So next thing is that you should write for all the thing, but make sure first you had completed for part A. Okay, after completing for part A, next you can go for writing the answer for part B, next part C. Likewise, go for each part wise. Okay, next is the answer ID. So where you can find this answer ID? So answer ID is also been available only in the response sheet. So here you can able to see this is the question ID, friends. So below question ID, question will be given, and these are the options. So each question will have a 4 option, and each of the 4 option will have a option ID. And where you can check your option means below answer given. If you didn't attempt it, it will be coming as not attempted. If you had attempted, then your option ID. So this is an option ID, that is 726 is the option ID that was given by you. Okay. So each of the options ID will also have separate option ID. Okay, so now coming back to the point, so here you can able to see, you should write first the question ID, next your answer ID. Okay, so after writing all the 142, 145 question with respect to life sciences, so you should write for all the attempted question. You should not leave not attempted question. You should also take it into account and simply put not attempted question, because not attempted, if you didn't attempted means the mark won't be deducted, but make sure you didn't attempt the question means please put NA. Okay, next thing, this is an official answer key that was released by this NTA. Okay, so where you can find this answer key? Again, this answer key will be found from the same website itself, friends. So this is here you can able to find the answer key. Okay. So first you should write all this thing. Okay. So next you should compare your answer ID with the NTA answer ID. If the answers are correct, then put C. That is C is correct. Next, for all the question do as such. If your answer ID doesn't match with this particular thing, say your answer is wrong and NTA answer is correct, then please put W. W signify wrong answer. Next thing, you should do for all the thing. Okay, next you should write this particular thing, total number of attempted question. So with respect to life sciences, and for part A question, there will be 20 question will be there, and among 20 question, 15 question this candidate should attempt compulsory. Okay, so part A 15 question to be attempted, but we can't able to see all the 15 question is easy answerable. Some questions will be hard, and among that you had attempted only 9 question. So you can't able to attempt, you don't know answer for all the 15 question, but you know the answer for 9 question. So put 9 out of 15 question you had attempted. Next, for part B, already 35 question has to be attempted, but you don't know answer for all the 35 question. So that's the reason why you had attempted only for 20 question. So in that case, please put 20. And next, part C, 25 question should be attempted among 75 question, but thing is that you don't know answer for all the 25 question, and you had attempted for 20 questions only. So 20 out of 25 question had attempted. Next, total number of questions correct. So among the 9 question which you had attempted, we can't say all the 9 question will be correct, because some question there will be wrong answer, like that we can say. So in that circumstances, among 9 question, only 5 question you attempted is correct. This you should compare with this particular thing, since they have released the final answer key also. So next, part B. So part B you had attempted 20 question, but in the 20 question only 14 question are correct. Same as part C, 20 question and 20 question only 15 question are correct. And also now after putting analysis, you need to put the mark. So mark for correct question. With respect to part A, life sciences I am saying, friends, because each and every sciences, the part A questions mark will be differ, and also negative marking will also differ. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next upcoming videos I'm going to put what is the correct mark and what is the negative marking score, so it will be very much useful for you to analyze. So this is the mark for correct question. So with respect to part A, each correct question carry 2 mark, and with respect to part B, each question carry 2 mark, and with respect to part C, each question carry 4 mark. So part A you had attempted 5 questions, so 5 into 2, 10 mark. Next part B you had attempted 14 questions are correct. Just leave about that question which you had attempted wrong. Let me coming to this particular point later. So part B 14 question you had attempted correct. So 14 into 2 28, and part C 15 question you had attempted, and 15 into 4 60 question are corrected. So if you keep on totaling all the 3 marks, 60 plus 28 plus 10, you will get 98 marks. Now coming back to the negative marking. So here you had attempted uh, uh, among 9 questions which you attempted, only 5 questions are correct. Remaining 4 questions are wrong. So part A only 5 questions are correct. Remaining 4 questions are wrong. So part A 4 question you give a wrong answer. Okay. And also with respect to part C also you had attempted 20 questions, but in the 20 question only 14 questions are correct. So remaining 6 questions are wrong. So put 6. Next, with respect to part C, you attempted 20 questions, but in the 20 question only 15 questions are correct. So remaining 5 questions are wrong. So now you should put 5 questions are wrong. Next, you should calculate the mark. Respect to negative marking, part A, so all the question 25% mark will be detected. So part A already carry 2 mark, 25% means 0.5 mark will be detected. So 0.5 will be detected. Next, part B, 0.5 will be detected, and part C, since it's carry a 4 mark question, 1 mark will be detected. So now you need to multiply 4 into 0.5, 6 into 0.5, 5 into 1. So all 0.5, 0.5, 1 signifies a negative marking. If you are a chemical sciences, this negative marking will get very different. So definitely I put a video so that it will be very much helpful. So 4 into 0.5, 2 mark. In part B, 3 mark, 5 mark. All these are mark that is going to detected because you had attempted the question, but the attempted question you didn't give a correct answer. Okay, so totally 10 mark will be detected as negative marking. So now you need to calculate the score for your CSIR examinations. It can be easily it can be easily calculated by minusing mark for correct answer minus mark for negative mark. So totally we have calculated 98 marks are correct. So 98 minus this negative marking. So 98 minus 10, 88 out of 200 marks is the your mark. So this is how you need to calculate it. So please do this, utilize this answer key wisely. Okay, if you have any confusions or doubt, please do tell me in the comment sections. Okay, so I'm going to tell you few questions that you can challenge for your life sciences paper. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel only, then it will be very much helpful for you. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.